Tony Macaroni. You must deal with the thing like it's a Champion League final. No disrespect to Mr. Sibbles. Bass player, part of the Epton groups and all of that. I know the history, Mr. Fraser. People, all when you are dead, you feel do your best. All of who are true say, true. Who you go? Eptons? Leroy Sibbles not dead yet. I'm going to pull the dead box. Halton Ellis.
Links is the man.
That party, Links don't win the clash. But I'm going to show you why I'm bad. Him don't win the clash already. Links, I'm mess up the date. You know why? I have too much dates and you don't. And a lie? It's not a lie. No, that party are the fun part. Links don't win the clash. So we don't have to bias no more. And which one are we play the baddest song now? Him done win the money already. Congratulations, Firelinks. Clear on the mind now. Me not ignorant no more. Me don't lose the clash already. It not coming like nothing. You want me to show you why I beat Firelinks over the years? Because I am the badder one. Well, just play a while ago. Well, just play. Alton Ellis, you got dead box already. After me not dead. Me not forgot no dead box. This is Al Campbell alongside one of Funo own people.
You said that you're the best. But
this is Al Campbell and Chose the Wheel. Let me show you so you never have the song to beat.
This is Al Campbell for you.
Don't have that, Johnny.
It's hard to kill a champion like Matterhorn. Matterhorn, the ruling
never sure to say when me want to kill people, me kill them.
Alongside
it's
Jack
easy.
the Killer. I jump and come test with your dub play to
Links,
them.
Links, you're not bad like me, not there. You know that.
Mercy. And it would take a miracle for a sound to be Matterhorn. They talk about sound. They talk about sound.
All when you bias. All the one.
Matterhorn is why you're the bad mind. When me did a play, when me did a gas through down and cut the singer them, you run down Bounty Killer some kick up song. I long term. Me know say time like this did I go forward. Gregory Isaac!
Like a dream.
I said to me, you wanna be the
number one.
You talk about me run down Bounty Killer. Hold the caliber your song.
Matterhorn sound, the #1 sound.
But
No
that's
apology. Marcy Griffith said that.
Taking
Taking it to the world. Johnny Killer, big up yourself.
Look back caliber song. Let me show you saying on the song. Simple. Master, where's that?
Matterhorn gonna kill you tonight.
people who play a while ago. Marcia, him still owe her 3 bills. And she just give one of Gregory Isaac style. In a midlife song, she put on the headphone and walk out. Listen how you play Marcia Griffiths who are pay for. We are truth. Mr. Dean Fraser, when you hear this, you're going to say, oh, really? Marcia say that? Listen. 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 Listen.
All idiot sound boys, step aside and give way to Fire Sound, the big bad sound where run the town. Master Griffith said that. Big up Fire Links. One in the world, extra special. No guy can test this. As Sonny said. Sound boy, I go feel it.
It's electric.
Pull it. Fire Sound, them a squeeze it.
It's electric.
Pull it. Ooh, he's burning.
It's electric.
Pull it. Filings and copy, kill him and the rattles and kill them.
You don't have a dub plate in your box more expensive than this.
Yeah.
Remember this, that, hear this, hear this.
Fire links, you come a boom clash and I go on like you bad. But you get left behind.
Pull up.
Run up your mouth and I jump and shout.
Pull up.
But tonight, Matterhorn get you out. Just a one dub sound, boy.
Pull up. Me and I pull up your song for you. Matterhorn, what you just say? Dear song? Dear song? Dear song, you say? You know who this? Bob Marley wife. You can't pay for this?
Who called the dance? Tell me now. Who spliced the tune? It's not Fire Links. So it must be Tin Pan Sound.
Rita Marley!
Who called the dance? Tell me now. Who called the dance? It's not Fire Links. It must be a Tin Pan Sound. This is Sister Rita Marley. And it's all about Fire Link sounds, right? Rivet. Fire burning high, so high.
Don't pull up in a, don't pull up
Fire
in a.
burning high, so high.
Listen.
Fire burning high,
Don't pull up.
so high.
Wanna listen.
Fire burning high, so high.
Listen.
One dub, links play. One dub, links play.
Listen.
Hey, Fire Links, hey, what I say. Kill off them someday. Hey, Fire Links.
So if he money, get him Rita Marley. All right, Links. Look how much money for this guy. Your money not enough like my money. We all know that. Here who this.
Sound killer. 50 Cent. Tony Matterhorn. You know how we get down, nigga. Johnny Killer, you heard? Tony Matterhorn. We hit.
Links, I said you win tonight. When the designer dub plate drop in New York,
Magic.
you know, you think me I play that tonight?
Magic, leave it stage.
I don't have to.
Leave it stage.
Don't have to.
Leave it stage. Who you got? 50 Cent? This is Wyclef and Fugees.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Wyclef, John, the refugee camp, and I'm chilling in the studio with Fire Links. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And all you other sounds talking this, talking that, talking this. I got one thing to say to y'all. Hey, yo, Rock, speak to the people, man. Let them know what time
Speak to them,
man. Fire Links time, man.
to them. Yo, this is The Rock kicking it with the refugee camp, and you're about to smell what The Rock is cooking.
Yeah, yo, this joint right here goes out to my man Fire Links and all my people in the ghetto and the struggle. You know what I'm saying? And all you other sound boys talking about this, talking about that. Yo, we gonna set it off like this. Check out, yo, you got 50 dub plates in the West Indies. It doesn't matter. You got a pocket full of cheese and a garden full of trees. It doesn't matter.
Fire Links, I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna die in New York. When you hear me drop one something say, panda, murder. I kill sounds when I wanna. Matterhorn, Johnny Killer, you're gonna die. You don't have nothing to go around the #1 song in the United States. Fire Links, and me, Tony Matterhorn. And this ain't no lie, he knows it's the truth. And me, bring Fugees in a dance hall with King Addies and kill LP in a Brooklyn. And me, bring Wyclef a Jamaica. Him said, if you can listen back to the tape, him said, Tony Matterhorn brought me to Jamaica, brought me to a dancer. Links, you play Wyclef, I'm going to play a next New York tune where I'm going to rip off your face. This is my beat.
Yeah. To all the killers and the $100 billers.
You can't chat to me. You're going to die.
Tony Matterhorn, a real sound
Take your
killer.
winnings tonight. Take your winnings tonight. Take your winnings tonight.
Matterhorn, you throw a stone behind you. Shot.
Wyclef Junior Reed combination, y'all.
Yeah. Level. Yeah. I be a foreign here talk about. As me play the Wyclef, you run down play our next rapper song. All I want to friend for foreign, do one in our ears.
Yeah. You ready, Junior Reed? It goes 1, 2, 3. Hit me in.
Coming along with a fool, me a bag like mule, me a eat pan tape, me a eat pan stool. From a dance me a one food. Living up to Jaja rule. Round the band, me ambition, feelings, him nice in obsession.
Matterhorn, you know you sell out. Any man what get a youth boy, no one son be no role model for you. If no one son follow you, your life shaky.
When you chat be rubbish, you know. I'm just listen you. Shaggy, not Shaggy. Sean Paul, Beanie Man, and Tony Matterhorn. And if anyone out there want to confirm it, tomorrow, when you pass halfway tree, go in at the passport office and ask them which 3 Jamaicans have the most Jamaican passport will expire. My passport is still Jamaican. My father American, but I still have my Jamaican passport. I don't have an American passport. I run a Jamaican passport every single year because I travel the most. And you say me mash up music, and me responsible for the music of foreign. Because you know I go foreign, and me alone there, I hold it off card. So I'm like, eat that with laptop. If me left them, we dance all mash up. When you go chat about dub plane, put together something like this.
Hey yo, gangsters don't talk, we beat the case and walk. Matterhorn, Johnny Killer, Shine, Bad Boy.
Hey yo, yellow, this is more than the ordinary, huh? 4 of us sipping Alizé and strawberry. Hey yo, yellow, it's Bounty Killer. Main Marshall, hey yo, Shines, Barton, Levy, fools kicking up but they grieve me. Hey yo, yellow, they try to deceive me. Hey yo, Matterhorn, but they wrong, they leave with, to kill them white. Hey, they want to disrespect them.
When the smoke clears and the battle has been won, Matterhorn is the big man. The smoke clears and the war is done. The star is done. The smoke clears and the body count done. Matterhorn, you see ya come. The smoke clears and the ashes
Shines, what I tell you?
The war dancers burn.
Yo, Matterhorn, who wanna f us? Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
So me know your Barton Levy part. Me just hear,
look up on the turntable.
stop, yo.
No, your ball feet play.
Umbre, me walk up. Yo,
You know what you want.
So move from on, yeah. Cause we are dangerous.
Umbre, I hear that thing you keep up, you know. Umbre, I hear that thing you keep up.
Are you asking? You see it? Are you asking?
Hold on, brother.
You asking?
I don't ask you nothing. You can't give me nothing. You're shaky. Why?
You lean up.
Why? All me I say. Me don't see a Barrington Levy slur. Me never finish my statement, brother.
That's your problem. You never finish.
You can't know if me finish or not. I'm a girl alone know that. See you shaking.
Logo say you're not finished.
Listen me. At least that is a girl. Your name called Panama.
Links. Let me tell you something.
Stop that. Matterhorn, I'm my time. Matterhorn, I'm my time.
Guess when you're general.
Yo, John Oscar.
Links.
Magic.
Links.
Links. Magic, make me play.
Links. I
don't trace.
You can't chat to me.
I don't trace.
So me shaky, why you do up here with a shaky man?
Me not up here with you. Me over here, so. You over there, so. Every man was straight, say straight. I want to fuck around. Listen, Barrington Levy, look a boy.
Yeah, this is the ever-ready one. Chat about, hey, Father Links, here I am, I said, burn them up. Burn!
The same rhythm.
Kill them and done.
The same rhythm.
Mr. Music, kill them. Chat about. Barrington Levy, tell them about.
Go on back to New York. Go on back to New York.
Oh, wow. Wow. Went away to a far, far land. Kill some sound in New York. Kill some sound in England. No one come back to my borderland. Come from New York to make some noise, just to keep our fans alive. But some dogs, some playing weed. That's not right in our book.
Big up to Tony Matterhorn. Big up to Firelinks. It was an epic clash. Congratulations to Firelinks Sound.
Right now, at the moment, this where a dream about is a part of a dream where forward through. You understand me? As Fire Links and Matterhorn on one stage in Kingston, Jamaica, doing it live with the people that we see. And see it, we execute it right. So at the end of the day, my dream come true.
Fire Links, so if you're right now, you defeat your rival.
5 straight. Another hardball. 5 straight. I don't know.
I leave that for you, say no. I mean, we can also say the whole town, the whole of Kingston, 11, 12, 13, come to support Fire Links. How does it feel if you have so much people that say Fire Links?
Not only Fire Links, but Tony Matterhorn as well. It's a balance. You understand? So guess what? At the end of the day, who are deliver? People can watch it and see who was well prepared, who do them homework and everything.
Fire Links, so you are the man. Like some of them want to be the dance. But watch your leader.
Big up to Boom Energy Drink, putting on such a lovely event. Big up to the promoters, Artawell, New Kids, big up yourself. And of course, big up to Fire Links, the winner of the $1 million. Congrats, my brother. Matterhorn, look like you never prepared for the clash, you know. And let me tell you this, people. You see, everybody who tune in live and who subscribe on that night, manners and respect. I love them, I respect them. Canada, America, UK, Europe, Caribbean, everywhere. And of course, big up Fair Street. The link up was great. You hear me? Snoop to the rock, you know. If you don't see me in a blue, me in a black, you know. So until next time, I'm out.
Thanks for watching Boom TV. But right now, I need all of you to subscribe.
YouTube.com/drinkboomenergy.
And remember, you can watch all the highlights from your favorite Boom TV shows. So remember,
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell a friend.
Call a friend.
Text a friend.
Let everybody know.
We're booming.
We're taking over.
Let's boom this.
Subscribe.